The Election Commission has now sent a show-cause notice to Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal for saying that those who vote for the Congress and the BJP will commit treachery against God and the country. Let's listen into that controversial part of Kejriwal's speech.
ऊपर वाला कह रहा है कि मैंने झाड़ू चलानी शुरू कर दी, तुम भी सारे हिंदू मुसलमान इकट्ठे हो जाओ और अपनी झाड़ू चलानी शुरू करो। एक भी वोट अगर कांग्रेस बीजेपी को पड़ा तो आप खुदा के साथ देश के साथ गद्दारी करोगे।
Well, so first Narendra Modi, then Rahul Gandhi, and now it's the turn of Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal to explain his remarks to the Election Commission. This has clearly been an extremely bitter electoral campaign for the battle for 2014. Many believe that we've perhaps seen the standards of political discourse falling like never before, with several jibes being taken at political opponents. Not just that, this electoral campaign has also seen a very personalized, has seen some very personalized attacks against political opponents by several politicians. Well, for more on that story, let's now go across to my colleague Siddharth Pandey, who joins us from the capital. Siddharth, as we were saying, there are perhaps only a few high-profile politicians who have not been issued show-cause notices by the Election Commission this time round. First, Narendra Modi, then Rahul Gandhi, and now it's the turn of Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, that's right. Mr. Kejriwal is the latest in a string of leaders to actually receive a notice from the Election Commission. As you said, the fact that this particular entire round of polling essentially has seen a lot of bitter attacks. Many people say the debate has really fallen to new depths, if you will. So the Election Commission today issuing a notice to Mr. Kejriwal, and this is basically on the complaint by the BJP, which had actually brought to the reference of the Election Commission a speech Mr. Kejriwal had made, and he actually said in his speech that anyone who votes for either the BJP or the Congress essentially will be betraying both God and country. So that was the complaint that the BJP had brought to the notice of the Election Commission. The electoral watchdog has given Mr. Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party till Tuesday, 5 o'clock Tuesday, to reply to that notice. And I've been speaking to the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. They are saying, of course, while they respect the Election Commission, they will be going through the notice that's been served to them. And of course, they plan to reply to it well within the limit.
Right. Siddharth, thanks so much for joining us with those details.